In this video, we'll see how you can build your own edge infrastructure, allowing you to install services and resources in real time. If you need open software that can run on different types of microprocessors and different sizes of equipment, this video shows exactly what you need. So, let's get started. The initial action involves creating a credential to execute the tasks. On the RTM, access the Credentials page on the Account menu. Click the Add Credential button. Choose a name for your credential. Describe how or by whom the credential will be used in the description field in Settings. Click Save. The token will be generated after the credential is saved. Copy the generated token. To begin the Edge Node installation process, you must download the Edge Orchestrator installation binary of your choice. Mind that the commands executed in the Edge Orchestrator agent must be executed with root user privileges. Check on our online documentation for the list of compatible platforms for Azion Edge Node and download the one of your preference. For this tutorial, we are going to use the command line and the platform that refers to the Mac OS. If you want to download another version, just change the URL for the required operating system or architecture. After downloading, you must follow these steps in order to install the Edge Orchestrator agent to your device. Install the Edge Orchestrator agent. Enter the token for the Edge Orchestrator agent and confirm the next steps. And now start the Edge Orchestrator agent after installing it. Whenever the installation code is run for any device and it has been authenticated by the token, the Edge nodes will be listed in Real-Time Manager. To view the list of Edge nodes created, go to RTM, open the Edge node item on the product. Now, you must authorize your Edge nodes to begin orchestrating them. To authorize an Edge node, let's follow some steps. On the list of Edge nodes in Real-Time Manager, click on the icon Key and accept the confirmation window. After the authorization, the Edge node can take up to 10 seconds before services can be orchestrated. Authorize multiple Edge nodes at once by selecting them individually or altogether with the first checkbox. You can provision the services registered in your library by following steps. Select the Edge node that you want to configure. Enable the add-on services. Open the Services tab and click the Add Service button. Link it to the service you want, and if necessary, you can configure the variables required by the service. Mind that services that are due to be orchestrated via Edge Node must be registered in Edge Libraries, Edge Services, and marked as active. To avoid any configuration changes to the resources managed by Orchestrator, the agent provides a feature called Watcher. You can verify any action made by Watcher by looking at the log file. Done. Now you can build your own Edge infrastructure. If you have any questions, please reach out to our online documentation. You can find more detailed information about the product and its first steps on the reference documentation. Thank you for watching, and move to the Edge.